Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. I'm having some grilled chicken that I just made with some lettuce and as my healthy fat because on carnivore, when you're eating lean, you have to add some healthy fat in there because this chicken breast has virtually no fat. So I added some full fat ranch dressing to this and I'm going to enjoy this. This is my first meal of the day. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Got a lot of stuff going on today. Jess and I have some errands to do, so I might bring you with us, but I wanted to show you the first meal. Look at that. Well, that was a good lunch. So I'm waiting for Jess to take a shower. We're gonna be heading to a place called Woodbury Commons, which is an outdoor outlet mall, and I couldn't be more excited. We used to go there quite often years ago. We haven't been in so long. Just waiting for him to take a shower. I'm gonna go wash my empty bowl. But I do want to tell you that I have hit 10 pounds, guys, 10.4 pounds down since June 11th. And although slow, I feel really good about it. When I look back in my history of dieting and I look back to that program that I used to be on, it was consistent slow weight loss. And I'm doing the same right now, which is really nice, but I get to eat things not with the alarm set. I get to choose what I want to eat, when I want to eat, how much I want to eat. Your body thrives on protein, especially if you're like me, in your 50s and you need that added protein. There's nothing wrong with getting extra protein on certain days. Now, I wouldn't eat a pound of ground beef every day. That was a hungry day for me for some odd reason. I ate and then I went for hours and I was starving, and while I was cooking it, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna eat whatever I can. And it turned out to be the whole pound of meat. That was a lot though, because then the next day, where I normally eat breakfast and lunch and don't eat a dinner, I was able to go almost all day without eating. And I probably could have, but again, I am in my 50s. I am right at the tail end of being 1 year with no period. So I'm knocking on the door of being postmenopausal. And I really don't want my protein levels to go down too much. And I also don't want to fast too many times, too long, and all these other things, because that puts stress on the body. And I don't want my hormones to be all over the place. You know, it's like eat when you're hungry doing this, but I don't intentionally. Like, I remember early on, I was like, oh, I fasted 20 hours. And I was like really focusing on that. And then I started watching Dr. Boz and some other women on YouTube. And there's one doctor, I can't remember her name. She says that fasting is not good for women because of the stress hormones, the cortisol. When you're fasting, your body is under stress, and I get it. Autophagy, all of that is so good. So I have just been learning to really focus on the hunger cues that my body gives me when I'm hungry. And another really cool thing is, she had said, Dr. Boz, I think, had said, you know when you're hungry, when you could eat like a sardine. Like, I don't really like sardines, but if you're truly hungry, you would eat a sardine, right? So there are times where I still feel, you know, maybe I'm not hungry, but it's that time to eat. I really have to hone in on my feelings. And I often use that thought and I say, would I eat a sardine right now? No. Okay, so I'm not hungry. Do you get it? Okay. So that's kind of what I want to say. But everything's going well. I feel amazing. And yeah, so I was expecting this legal document to come in the mail yesterday because I want to share this big news. But it didn't come. So I'm expecting it this week, guys. This week, hopefully you will learn what my big surprise is. I know I'm not going to be a grandma. And that was, a lot of people thought I was going to be a grandmother, but nope, not yet. What else? Someone said that I was starting a clothing line. That was very good, but nope, that wasn't it. Let me think. There were just some really good guesses. You guys are very, very creative. But yeah, so we will, I already have my announcement video made. I just have a lot going on, and just any day now, as soon as that legal document comes, I'll share. I promise. I don't mean to keep letting you hang on like this. It's honestly taken a little longer than I thought. Although it was anticipated to happen toward the end of the month, but things have been moving very rapidly, and when you understand what's going on, I'm at the point where I am just sitting waiting for the document. Everything that was supposed to be done prior is done. Done. Exciting. All right, let me go see what Jess is doing, and we will head out and go to Woodbury Commons. All right, guys, we made it to the car. Just waiting for Jess. I just made an iced coffee with my PE Science chocolate peanut butter protein powder. This will give me an additional almost 30 grams of protein, and just some ice. So again, iced coffee, PE Science, chocolate peanut butter cup protein powder. This is the protein powder that I used to use when I was training for the fitness competition. I love it. And yeah, this is a great way to get in extra protein without eating, because I'm not hungry after that salad, but I was really jonesing for an iced coffee, so I threw in some protein. So good. We're off. Here comes Jess.
I would do anything for you. You know you're at.
Well, yeah, I totally forgot to film. We got a little mini backpack for Britt, and now we're in BJ's and we're strolling around, so let's take a look. What can we find here? I think Jess is in the next aisle. We're in one that we've never been. We're about 45 minutes from home. Let's go find them. There he is. All the way at the end. Down the electronic aisle. What'd you find?
Nothing.
Nothing. I know, me either. They got ungats. So let's take a walk. Let's see what they have down here. Rugs. I'm gonna spin you around maybe. Show you what they have. All kinds of light bulbs. I'm in the light bulb section. Let's see. Let's go see the clothing. Do you guys like my hair? Threw some layers in, but I need to, I need a brush first of all. I haven't brushed my hair and it's just been windy. Let's see what they have in the clothing section. I'm spinning you around. Hold on.
You know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about. It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about.
Cute jacket, guys. Kenneth Cole leather with the gunmetal hardware, and I want you to see the back. Look at this. It's got the princess seaming, narrowing at the waist. Love that. For the fall, for work, for whatever. Go to BJ's. And I got Jess a shirt. All right, let's go find him. Let's go. Cards. Does it swing?
Nah, it's pinned up so it doesn't. Anyone interested in having a bunch of metal bars cut off the circulation in your legs through a very compressible fabric. I suggest this item.
It's very flimsy. Good thing you didn't fall off.
Let's pull yourself up.
We got our goods. We're at Walmart. So I think we just got here in the nick of time. I think they're closing, but I know they put their thermals out. Let's go check. was thinking of getting these so that I can make hamburger muffins, like meatloaf muffins. $9 and you get 12. I don't know if I need 12. Let's see what else they have. Here's a silicone muffin tray. 13 bucks. Why don't they just have singles? Mini pie plates. Such cute stuff. Really wanted silicone, but I don't need so many. Found this I'm gonna get. It's an insulated coffee cup. Because in the morning sometimes when I have coffee, it gets cold. I don't want it cold. So I'm looking for measuring spoons. And I don't see any, but of course I see this, which I love. Oh, measuring spoons. Look how cool. Pretty. And they do have, oh my God, of course I want everything. Look at all this stuff. Look at this with the little, I gotta stop. But they have such nice stuff. I definitely need one of these to brush my butter on things. Measuring spoons, here we go. Measuring spoon. Hey guys, all right, I am gonna start editing this video. I know that the Walmart video kind of ended pretty abruptly and I'm sorry. Right now I'm having a hot flash. Woo! And you can see my skin is a little shiny. After I edit, I'm gonna go wash my makeup off and probably take another shower as I did this morning, but whew, I don't know what's going on. In the last, I would say month, the hot flashes have returned. Don't know what that's about. I don't know. Any of you doing keto, carnivore, ketovore experience something like this? At the very end of right before you hit postmenopause, the hot flashes come back. I don't know. It's kind of muggy here, so maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know, but it's just like I've been noticing it. So I don't know what that's about, but it's annoying because they were gone for so long and now they're back. I don't know. And I had a lot of them today. It was just crazy. But anyway, thanks for tagging along. Maybe tomorrow I'll be able to video some more since it's Sunday. So maybe we'll do, you know, what I eat, and I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right. I know I have some things to do here in the house, so I want to finish taking some of the summer things that I know I'm not going to wear for the rest of the summer and start folding and packing and putting them in the bins. I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys. I love you all. Thanks for sharing Saturday with Jess and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye, guys.